and then he puts a little shower cap thing on it at night. Gets over his head like this. Clips him. Keeps it nice and moisturized at night. Ladybug.